I don't know who needs to hear this, but girl, go clean your room. Hey guys, what the heck is up? It's your girl Grace Torie, and I'm back with a whole new video. So today's video is a continuation of becoming that girl. Today's video I wanted to show you like cleaning and what I do to clean, because it's really important that you're in a clean environment. I feel like I can't truly thrive if my environment is dirty, and I'm pretty sure there's case studies that have proven like your health is directly related to like your environment and how clean it is. Don't quote me on that, just go on Google Scholar and do a little typey type, and I'm sure that something will pop up, because I'm pretty sure I've heard that like multiple times. But anyway, I just wanted to show you guys my process and what I do. I'm gonna clean the downstairs today. I'm not gonna clean like the upstairs of my room, so you're not gonna see that. But I do like to break it up, because for me, I've found that breaking things up and just doing a little bit every day works so much better, and I don't get overwhelmed, because when I get overwhelmed, I tend to push it off and procrastinate. So when I only do a little bit at a time, I feel so much better. So I'm going to do the downstairs, so just the living room and the kitchen today. Josh and I are going to dinner because today was my first day of the MBA orientation for the MBA program. So my house is a little dirty because I've been like preparing for that, and that's been like the main thing on my mind. So I'm just gonna pick up, I'm gonna make a to-do list right now, and that's how I'm gonna clean everything. Then I'm just gonna go down the list. Okay, so on our to-do list, we have to do the dishes, we have to wipe down the counter and the surfaces, we have to sweep the kitchen in the living room, Swiffer the kitchen in the living room, vacuum the living room, and clean off the coffee table. And I think that's it. I don't know if I'm gonna get it all done before Josh gets here, but I definitely want to get the dishes done tonight and then clean off the coffee table. If I have to Swiffer and do that tomorrow, I can. So let's just see how much we get done. Let's do a little cleaning montage in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I just finished and it's 5:33. That did not take near as long as I thought it would. And I also put all of like the couch blankets and any towels that were dirty in the kitchen in the washer. Yeah, I highly recommend cleaning and splitting it up, one, so you don't have to do as much in one day and overwhelming yourself, and making a to-do list, because you'll just be so much more productive, and checking things off is just like a mental thing. I feel like that just like it's positive reinforcement. So yeah, thanks for watching this short little video. It's just a little clean with me to help you guys get motivated, and just talking about how if you want to be that girl, you need to be in an environment where you can be that girl, which means you need to clean your room. So get on it, girl. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys on Friday at 4 p.m. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.